Hi, this is a quick demonstration on how FlashCX.ai works. So FlashCX.ai is a revenue engine platform which helps you to connect your CRM with any of the collaboration platforms such as Microsoft Teams, Slack, or WebEx. So the supported CRMs currently are Salesforce, Oracle, HubSpot, and Freshworks. Here's the website, and you can see a quick overview of how the product really works, what it can do, more about how it can pull the data and also update the CRM data without the need of continuously going to and fro between the CRMs and your team's channels. So let's go quick how you quickly install this. So go to the Microsoft Teams as an example, and if you go to the apps, you can search for FlashCX.ai. You should see the app here, and all you need to do is get or install. In my case, it's open because I already have installed it. So once you do that, click open. It should open here like this and show you a small help like what it can do. Now the only other step required is to go and set up your CRM configuration. So for that, we have a backend channel here on the website. Once you log in, after your account is set up, you will be able to pick your CRM. In this case, like for example, Salesforce is picked up, but you can pick HubSpot, Freshworks, or Oracle CRM. Once you go through the standard two-factor authentication or SSO, depending upon your security, it should show you connected. So once this is connected, go back to the Teams. Now what you can do is you can execute any of the commands here to pull information from your CRM. So for example, I can say contact or lead. Let's say contact. When I do the contact, it will pull the most recent contacts from my system. So in this case, if you see here, it's pulling John Smith. No more information there, but you can see all the last 10 contacts that you have been working with. So and it shows the title, email, phone number. What you can do is you can very quickly make a call or send an email, and then once you are done, you can log a call saying right. So you can just say that and save it back to your CRM. So once you do this, add this note, it goes into your CRM and basically update it right there. So you do not have to really log into your HubSpot or your Salesforce to do this. Once you are done with all the things, the similar way you can do other activities such as lead. Once you pull the lead, the system will show you the lead data the exact same way. Like it's a cold lead right now. We do have some generative AI features here. So for example, if you want to write an email, you don't have to separately go to ChatGPT or something. You can simply click write email, and it can pull some data from your system, and based on that, craft an email for the product you are pitching and all that, right? So if you see this is the email already generated, you can just copy and send an email. And like I said, you can do the lead retirement, add a note to it. So depending upon the object, there is a different set of actions, and you can always customize which actions you want. So the similar way, you can look at opportunity like your pipelines, and make changes such as you can update your opportunity if it's not progressing and all. You can add a note, do the follow-ups, and all those things. We do have the similar way you can pull account, and the account has some other additional features. For example, when you do account, not only it can pull account data, it can also pull the recent news. So if you see here, right, so right now there's no news here. Yeah, so unfortunately the accounts I have in the system right now, there's no news right now in the last 30 days, but if there is a news, it will show up right here. And then obviously you see another generative AI feature here called research. So you can basically research about any account. So for example, if I click research, it uses the generative AI and saves you a lot of time trying to figure out yourself all that. You can give a quick information right here. So this is one part where you can very much pull your data, and this is not just limited to like here. You can actually do the same thing by going into one of your contacts and say @flash and contact, and it will you can collaborate on any data on your CRM with any of your colleagues. So super helpful. You don't have to copy paste links and ask people to join your Zoom and all those things. Now the second part of this whole product is workflow, which is the core and heart of this product. So far what you have seen is I have been asking the information to the system, and it has been giving me. But a lot of times, you want to take proactive action when something happens in your system while you are not monitoring it. For example, um, you as a sales rep wants to make sure you get notified if there is a opportunity that is not making progress in last more than 30 days, and it's like a $1 million opportunity kind of thing. Or for example, let's say your manager wants you have a good relationship with your accounts, so if there is an account that is not being touched in last 6 months or something, you should be able to know. Another use cases like you look into the lead management and you are doing all the lead qualification, so you want to make sure whenever the new leads gets assigned to your territory or you get notified. So that kind of workflow use cases can be implemented in the product, and they are pretty much drag and drop. So to do that, I just show you a little bit. Let me go here, and you can go to the workflows. Our product does ship some of the important ones, such as hot leads when the deal is high, but it's very easy to just create new ones. Then the final part is customizing the look and feel of the things. Like for example, not maybe your business wants to see annual revenue and something else. So the product makes it very easy for making these kind of changes as well to suit your needs. So what you can do is you can go to the customize. You can pick a object, for example, let's say account. If you see it's showing what are the fields right now here, you will be able to search more fields from your CRM and add them quickly here. Or let's say you don't want something, you can just go ahead and say remove. So as soon as you remove, the right side preview shows that it's gone. So it's that simple. Once you do that, you can just save it, and when you will run the command again here, the information will be gone and new information will be added. So pretty much that's a quick overview. And like I said, this product is very much CRM agnostic, be it HubSpot or Salesforce or Freshworks or Oracle. No matter which CRM you are using, you can do all your activity management day to day, like what meetings are there, what tasks you are dealing with, what leads or accounts you are working with. You can very much operate all those things bidirectionally. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.